Today we're going to do a project demo on Marvelseal 360 because we couldn't find any other project demos online for Marvelseal 360. We'll be making a long-term storage box for archival books. Marvelseal is activated at 350 degrees, so we use an iron, and it takes 40 pounds of pressure. An iron that's on the setting right around the bottom of the steam range can it adheres to itself, it adheres to wood, it adheres to all kinds of stuff. So we will be using this method to fix up the inside of this box here for storage. Marvelseal 360 is an aluminized polyethylene and nylon barrier film. It resists transmission of water vapor and is puncture resistant. This material is ideal for lining the inside of shipping crates and exhibit cases and for lining shelves with the objective of decreasing off-gassing from exposed wooden surfaces. You can see right here there's a little bubble where the edges don't meet, and that's fine. I'll show you why, because we can just cut it. Whatever doesn't come together correctly, we can just cut and add another strip to adhere down here. To seal it back up. So, which is maybe the best stuff about this, is you can just cover up all your mistakes with strips of it because it adheres to itself. You may have noticed we missed a spot, so we're going to go cut a piece that'll fit there and secure it right in place. Not a lot of issues with waste with this because all of it can be used for patching up any little problems or little missed spots that you might find. Overall, pretty good. Came out nice, patched up nice, and then once this lid closes, we'll seal it up with a bunch of books in it. All right, this stuff, I think it works. You like it, Dustin?
Yeah, it's awesome.